Hello, welcome to Small Town Customs. Today we're going to be working on this Deora. I don't have any surfboards for it. I'll probably be ordering them soon. Hopefully I'll have them before I get this video out. It's pretty oxidized on the bottom, but we can get that cleaned up. So, let's get started. Okay, we're going to try to come up with a custom color for our Deora. Stir this up a little bit. We're going to take some lemon yellow. Going to put about 4 squirts in there. Stir up our green. Just going to add a couple drops at a time, see what it looks like after I stir it up. I'm trying to make antifreeze color. I tell you what, that's pretty close right there. It looks yellow, but it's got a little bit of green tint to it. Looks like antifreeze to me, doesn't it? We're going to set that aside. Now we need to add our hardener to our yellow. Okay, ready to go. Okay, we got our cars in a homemade heat box. We got the timer set for 2 hours. And they should be dry in 2 hours. I've got a meat thermometer sticking in there. I don't know if you can see a wire coming out. A little sensor there. Got it attached over here on the side. I don't have it turned on yet, but in about an hour and a half, we're going to put some batteries in it, turn it on, and see how hot it is. Okay, we're going to grab our cars out of the heat box. They are completely dry. Got another one in here. I would say that's pretty darn close to original color. This has got a little more green to it than what it's showing on the camera, but it is the aqua color. I meant to put some batteries in my thermostat here, but I forgot. It shut off before I got in here to check it, but they was only in there for 2 hours. It shuts off automatically after 2 hours, whatever button you push. I had it set for 2 hours. It automatically shuts off. So they are completely dry. So let's get them put together. Okay, we got our Deora done. I'm going to turn on the rotisserie here. Didn't turn out too bad. It's not perfect, but I think it looks good just the way it is. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.